Good morning from Pemberley Farm. What you're watching right now is Kelly teaching his sister Ashleigh how to run our new Kubota tractor. What we're doing is gonna disc area of this field right here where we had some green beans this summer, and then tomorrow we're going to come back with the tiller on the back of the tractor and till it. So she's never driven this tractor. She's driven our great big Massey Ferguson, but so he's given her instruction on how to do this, and this will be her first time on the Kubota. Lord help us. Right. And if things go bad, we won't show this video to her dad. How about that? But we need to start planting quite a few of our fall and winter things, but it has been so very dry here, and we've just now started to get some rain, and so now is the time to do this. We couldn't do it before because of the heat and the drought. Everything here was powder. This ought to be fun, guys. I don't know if y'all could hear that. He just told her it was a big lawnmower with just different attachments. I don't know. We'll see. I'm a little scared sitting behind her. Abby and I are sitting behind her. And the horses are wondering what's going on. She's moving forward. Yay! Maybe we'll all live through this and the tractor. She's very slowly doing this, which is a good thing. It makes me feel good that she's going slow, because like I said, she's never done this before. But everybody's got to learn how, so. We're very tickled to have this tractor. We've had it a couple of months, and we are just thrilled. And last month we bought a 5-foot tiller to go behind it, which really thrills me. It'll make my life in the garden much easier. I know you can't see it in the picture, but there is a electric fence behind her, so if she goes too far, she's going to end up in the electric fence. That's what keeps the horses in. Just one strand of electric fence. They've been in that for years, and they don't generally try to get out. Here she comes. The disc is down.
And she's tickled. We have an old Massey Ferguson tractor that we've had for years and years. And that disc is for the Massey Ferguson. So it's a little heavy for that Kubota. But as long as we go downhill with it, it does just fine.
And I know you can't tell that in this video, but she's coming downhill. Not a big. Yay! Look at there. She did it. Y'all have no idea how happy this makes me. Tomorrow I'll be even happier when the tiller's on there. But there was a lot of weeds in this bed, and so we were just wanting to do the disc first so that the tiller would do a better job tomorrow. Break the ground up. The beans, no, we've not done anything in it for several months, so.
And that's why I told her to start uphill and come down.
Yep. Yeah, he told her to start uphill and come down. And now she's up against that fence, so she's got some issues.
She'll figure it out. Watch your swing, girl.
Okay, this is the other area that we plowed this morning. This is where the potatoes were, if you remember one of our earlier videos. We enlarged it just a little bit, made it just a little bit longer, and can't wait to get all the yummy fall and winter stuff that's gonna go in here. Because we're in Northwest Florida, we can have something growing in the garden all year. So, and for us, this is the very best time to raise things like broccoli and lettuce and stuff like that, because it's too hot here. In the spring, it gets too hot too quick. So this is the best time for us to grow all those cool weather crops. Also, over here is where Ashleigh plowed this morning, on the other side of those trees over there. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but that's where she plowed this morning once she learned how to use her daddy's new tractor. She says now that her dad's in trouble. So anyway, and here's Miss Abby enjoying the fresh plowed dirt. Say hello. But anyway, we thank you for joining us and watching our adventure this morning, getting ready to put something in the ground. Can't wait to do that. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and like and share our videos. And we just thank you for joining us, and God bless you from Pemberley Farm.